I don't know that we're taking on seawater. Over.
Get on 16 at 25 watts. Just hail the U.S. Coast Guard.
The dinghy just is almost to the boat, to the vessel now, so we will probably know more information in just a second.
Roger, Captain. The two people that are on board, do they appear to be adults?
Yes, they are adults. We need an update for the Coast Guard as soon as you can.
I'm shaking. Actually, that's why the camera's shaking. Well, this is how I cleaned the dinghy last time. So, hopefully it takes this stuff off.
Shake that thing.
The strongest current we've been in. You got it.
Yeah.
Really big swells, really high winds, and a tangled head sail and a husband on the deck trying to figure it out. And a baby below with a dog. It wasn't easy. There's our sail. Nikki, Nicole, Virginia girlfriend, met them, I don't know, like 5 or 6 years ago. Hello, ladies. Hi. Your men are getting a workout back there. They're doing good, though. I think this spot is really kind of cool.
Major fail.
So the 27 waterfalls, we gotta be like 8 knots, right? We're leaving the Bahamian waters and entering the Turks and Caicos. Why not give you a shower scene?
Snip these wires.
Ben and I are fighting over the bowl.
Ready?
We are riding the coast of the Dominican. So we're doing a glow party.
This is how you have your morning coffee.
Pass it right between St. Kitts.
That feels great. Awesome sail. How's it?
Good. It tastes good when you're working for it. Okay, like this.
Yes.
Head on over to the back. Happy hour. Double fisted.